Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to easily find and get your profile URL for Instagram. This can come in really handy if you're trying to share your profile URL via email, text, social media, what have you. It just works for iOS and Android. You're just going to want to have the Instagram app installed and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the app. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright everyone, we're currently on my phone, so again you're going to want to have the Instagram app installed and make sure you have the latest version. So launch Instagram and make sure you're logged into the account that you wish to receive the profile URL for. Once you're logged in, here at the bottom right hand corner you'll see your profile icon. Select your profile icon and then you'll see a share profile option. Select share profile here. And as you can see, you have a couple options. QR code pops up, a copy link, as well as a share profile. So select share profile. And then here you'll see a button where you can select copy URL. And that's all there is to it. So now you can just go ahead and paste this in a text message, an email, social media, and it'll send over your profile URL for Instagram. So I hope you found this video informative. Please hit that like button if you did, and we'll see you in the next video.